Hey, hey, crazy. Rosie, what's wrong with you? What's your problem? You crazy cat. Hey guys, it's Marwan here, and this video we're gonna sketch on some toned paper. By the way, look at what the crazy cat did to my sketches here. Seriously? Just ripped this whole sketch into pieces. I guess she's not a fan of my sketches. I hope you can hear me. I gotta adjust this thing. Oh, it's in the bottom now, so you probably did not hear any of that, but I'm changing that right now. Rest in peace. Means that we can create new ones. Crazy cat. Actually, I'm gonna turn this light on as well. There we go. Okay, so what do we want to sketch? That's the question. I'm just gonna sketch some cars. Why? Because that's what I like to do. Simple as that. Let's put on some music first, as always. Let's do Ricky Rose. What are you doing? Okay, so let's sketch some cars. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that quick sketch. I just want to talk about the steps that I made this sketch in. So I started with a big pen as usual on toned paper, as you can see. I just wanted to put down the proportions of the car and have some idea of where I want to take the shape. So if I want it to be a four-door, if I want it to be a coupe, or whatever I want it to be. In this case, turned out to be a four-door sedan or something like that. From there, I just picked a couple of markers. The first markers that I found, which was a lighter shade of a color. So in this case, it was a light red. I think it was this one or one of these. This one. So I started with this one, and then we just go deeper and deeper and deeper. In this case, I used 3 layers of markers. So I used 3 different shades of the red, and you can do this with 1 marker. You can do it with 5 if you want to do that. 3 usually works really great. And then we started to add some highlights. So take out the white Posca pen and just start adding highlights where the light is going to hit the surfaces. So if we have the light source coming from the top, that means that all surfaces facing up should have some sort of highlight on them. From there, I just actually just went back with a big pen, right, and just filled in the imperfections. So there's always a lot of mistakes when you're sketching like this, freehand, and we want to try and cover up those mistakes as best as we can, and that's what I tried to do here. So for example, just define the spokes a bit more, and then I had the white highlighter go outside here, so I try to cover that up with a big pen and define the highlight, the outlines of the highlight like that. And that's about it. I hope you create something similar. I think the rear wheel is a bit bigger than the front, but that's not a big deal. Could be like a drag car or something like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching as always. And if you have any requests of what you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Take it easy.